In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 side hustles that you can start and scale to earn an extra $1,000 a month. Each of these hustles is either something I personally have done or something I've seen others succeed with. So let's dive in. But before we get into the specifics, let's address the big question. What is the point of a side hustle and how should you approach finding one? Well, there are 2 main ways to think about it. Firstly, you can view a side hustle as a means to generate an immediate second income. Think of it as picking up a part-time job like babysitting or dog walking. It's a great way to boost your monthly income quickly, but it does come with limitations. You're trading time for money, and there's a cap on how much you can earn. Secondly, you can see a side hustle as something that aligns with your passion and skills. It's flexible, fulfilling, and can potentially grow into a full-time venture. This is the approach I prefer, as it allows for creativity and autonomy. Alright, let's dive into our first side hustle, writing. As the saying goes, content is king. Whether it's a script, website content, or social media post, there is high demand for skilled writers. Take Laura Belgrade, for example, who turned her knack for writing into a lucrative career, earning up to $6,000 a day crafting inspirational quotes. Next up, we have website building. In today's digital age, every business needs a strong online presence. The good news, building website has become more accessible than ever, thanks to the user-friendly platform like Hostinger. With a bit of creativity and determination, you can turn your skill into a thriving business. With a bit of creativity and determination, you can turn this skill into a thriving business, just like others have. Now, let's talk about video editing. With the rise of platforms like YouTube and TikTok, there's a huge demand for high-quality video content. If you have even a basic editing skills, you can capitalize on this trend and earn a handsome income. Just ask my editor, who went from cold emailing me to becoming a full-time collaborator. Moving on to community management. As online communities continue to grow, there's a need for dedicated moderators who can foster engagement and ensure a positive experience for members. If you are passionate about a particular niche, why not get paid and talk about it? Last but not least, we have virtual assistants for solopreneurs. Many entrepreneurs are overwhelmed with tasks and could use an extra set of hands. By offering your organizational skills and expertise, you can become an invaluable asset to their business while learning and growing alongside with them. So there you have it, 5 side hustles to boost your income and pursue your passions for 2024. Whether you are a writer, a builder, an editor, a moderator, or an assistant, there's never been a better time to start hustling. If you give any of these a try, I'd love to hear about your experiences. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and more ideas.